Good morning, students. So now start exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. One is set A given. A given. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on 14. Define a relation R from A to A by relation R defined as xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x and y belongs to set A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. So first find the value of R, and the value of R whose first entry is called domain, that is all first entry belong in domain. So first find the value of R. So what is R? Here R is equal to xy such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. Since 3x minus y is equal to 0, so the value of y is equal to 3x. This is the relation between x and y. So R is equal to, put value, the value of x from 1 to 14 and the value of y also from 1 to 14. So first put x is equal to 1. Here x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, then y is equal to what? 3 into 1, 3. So first element is 1, 3. Because put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Next, put x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to what? 6. Similarly, 3, then 9, 4, then 12. Next 5. When put x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 15. But the value of y belong in set A, and set A having 1 to 14 elements. So when put x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 15, which is not belong in set A. तो अब x की वैल्यू पुट नहीं करना है, क्योंकि x के वैल्यू नेक्स्ट पुट करोगे तो y की वैल्यू 14 से ग्रेटर आ रहा है, तो अब इसमें कोई एलिमेंट्स नहीं होंगे. सो दिस इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ R. सो नाउ फाइंड डोमेन. सो डोमेन इज इक्वल टू set of all first entries. What are the first entry? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the domain. And what is range? Range is equal to set of second entries. What are the second entries? 3, 6, 9 and 12. This is the range. And what is the codomain? Here relation R defined, given. Here R is from A to A. A to A. So second set A is called codomain. Since R is a relation from A to A, that is R is a subset of A cross A. So second set is called codomain. And second set here is A. So therefore कोडोमेन इज इक्वल टू ए. रिलेशन जिस सेट पे डिफाइन है फ्रॉम ए टू बी, देन बी इज कॉल्ड कोडोमेन. हियर व्हाट इज द वैल्यू बी? हियर ए इन प्लेस ऑफ बी. सो कोडोमेन इज इक्वल टू सेट ए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question 2, given define a relation R on the set N of a natural number given x y such that y is equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. X is a natural number less than 4, that is the value of x 1, 2 and 3. So put x equal to 1, 2 and 3 and find the value of y. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down its domain and range. This is a roster form. This is a roster form. So same as question number 1, 2, same as question number 1. That is R की value find कर लो. This is a roster form. Then find domain and range. And question number 3 also same. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is figure given 3 elements 5, 6 and 7, and here 3, 4 and 5, set P and set Q. This 5 is related to 3, 6 related 4 and 7 related 5. Figure given. Question is question 4, show the relationship. The figure 2.7 shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relation in set Boulder form. First point, write this relation in set Boulder form. So set Boulder form, that is, first write R is equal to x y such that, इतना तो कॉमन होगा, सेट बोल्डर फॉर्म में R is equal to x y such that. Now check that what is the relation between x and y. Here 5 is related to 3, so their difference is 2. Similarly 6 is related to 4. What is the difference of 6 and 4? Is 2. Next 7 is related to 5. So what is the difference between 7 and 5? Also 2. That is, difference between x and y is equal to 2. This is the relation. So such that this can written x minus y is equal to 2. And what is x? X is a natural number from 5 to 7, where x belongs to n and the value of x greater equal to 5 and less equal to 7. This is the set Boulder form. आप x की वैल्यू पुट कर दोगे, y अपने आप निकल जाएगा वैल्यू. तो दिस इज ए सेट बोल्डर फॉर्म. Second write roster form. Second write roster form. So roster form is equal to R is equal to, that is here 5 related 3. So this first element is 5 3. Next 6 related to 4. So 6 4. Next 7 related to 5. That is 7 5. So this is the value of R. Next question number 5, same as question number 5. Relation given a equal to 1 to 6, 5 not given. R be the relation, define on A such that question number 5 is set A given 1 2 3 4 and 6. 5 is not given. And relation R on A. Relation R on A means R is the subset of A cross A. Relation R on A means A is the subset of A cross A. So R subset of A cross A, and given R is equal to AB such that A and B belongs to set A, and given B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. Then first write R in roster form. Write R. So first part R is equal to, that is first at roster form. This is set builder form given, that in roster form. Since the value of A and B both are belong in set A, and given B is exactly divisible by A. So suppose first element B, suppose A 1 and B also 1. Since this 1 is divisible by 1, here B is equal to what? 1. And since B is divisible by A, here B is exactly divisible by A. So next, since every number is divisible by 1, all the numbers divisible by 1. So therefore 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 and 1 6. 1 से सारे नंबर डिविजिबल हैं. Now check that which numbers are divisible by 2. Which number divisible by 2? 2 divisible by 2, 4 divisible by 2, so 2 4. Next 6, that is 2 6, 6 divisible by 2. Next find number which is divisible by 3, so 3 3. Next 3 6, 3 6. Next find 4, so since 4 is divisible by 4, only one number. Now 6 is divisible by 6. So this is the element of R, which is in roster form. And then second, find the domain, that is find all entries of R. And second, find the range, that is second entry. So domain is equal to, second domain D is equal to all first entry. What are the first entry? 1 2 3 4 and 6, all are first entry. And range, all are the second entry. 1 2 3 4 6, these are the second entry. 1 2 3 4 and 6. So this is the range. Same as question number 6, find the domain and range. So first find R, then find domain and range. Question number 7, write the relation R given x is prime number less than 10 in roster form. So put the value of x which is prime and less than 10 and find the value of R. Same as question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. 8 is set A given. Set A given x, y, z and B given 1 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relation already प्रीवियस क्लास में हम फॉर्मूला बता चुके हैं. सिंस नंबर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट 3 and number of B is equal to 2. So total number of relation from set A to B, since total number of relation from A to B, formula is 2 to the power number of A into number of B. ये प्रीवियस क्लास में फॉर्मूला बता चुके हैं. सो पुट द वैल्यू, दैट इज 2 to the power 3 into 2 means 2 to the power 6. So these are the total number of relation from set A to set B. And 9, question number 9. 9 is let R be the relation on the set Z defined by R is equal to AB such that AB belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. R is equal to given AB and the relation R defined on N, and R is equal to AB. AB belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. Domain, that is first entry, and range, that is second entry. So what are given? R is equal to AB, where first entry A belongs to Z. So the value of A is equal to what? Set of integer, because A belongs to Z, B also belongs to Z, such that A minus B is an integer. Since if A, B belongs to Z, then A minus B also belongs to Z. For all AB belongs to Z, for every two integers, their difference is also an integer. So what are the value of A? Set of all integers. And what are the value of B? Set of all integers. So first find here domain and range. So domain is equal to set of all integers, that is Z, and range is equal to also set of all integer, that is Z. Set of all integer, set of all integers, Z also, this also set of all integers. So exercise, this exercise completed. Exercise 2.2 completed. Now next class start a function. Next class start function. Okay, आप रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन, इसका जो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन जो हम छोड़ चुके हैं, जो सिमिलर क्वेश्चन हम छोड़े हैं, इसको आप लगा लेंगे. एक्सरसाइज 2.2 सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस आई लेफ्ट, तो आप उसको कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. ओके.